Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are here to visit Joy and Jodi. So please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's get into it right now. Okay. Alright. Let's see how this goes. We're gonna call Joy because we're not go down with the dog right there. You go down, Marcel?
Not go near.
Oh boy. It's always a challenge, guys, when we come because boy, I don't like how this dog is one.
Why not move it down? Yeah. Move. Move.
Okay. Dog angry and miserable.
Oh, this dog look different, so.
This is a different one. So Marcel, why sound like one that come from the box, so?
Over so dog there.
Joy answer?
Enjoy, how you move this dog?
Come escort us past him.
So you not cut the rope?
So when she cut the rope, you now go run away. Hi Joy, morning.
Where you come up here, so far? Where you come up here, so you know the whole of you the dog, you know?
Well, you
so you can't reach the spot where you walk? Oh!
Lord have mercy. No.
Come here. Come. You look like all you're afraid that you want dog, you know?
Oh, Marcel.
Alright, you can move from this or no?
Not liking that dog
come
at
secure.
all.
Come secure down here, son.
It's so for that. But why him come and look at me like that? Watch him. Alright, Joy, you no. Okay, I'm watching you. My eyes are on you.
You're going in. Mr. Jody asleep.
No, so me just put her, take her off of the bed and she a
Jody. Jody, and you think somebody come and so come no dummy style today with a talk to me?
Hey Jody, what's up?
See your friend and call
Jody.
Jody. Oh, I'm going with her this morning now.
Jody, you don't like to see your friend then? Same call for you. Oh. You drink your tea first. Then you talk to them. Okay.
So how are you, Joy? How things going?
Well, give God thanks and praise.
Yes.
Can't complain. No complain.
No complain at all.
And praise.
Okay. Alright. Well,
you look for you.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to see you.
I'm not done. I was like, oh, Jody not talk to you.
I'm glad to see you the one.
Yeah. So we came the other day, but you weren't here.
Oh, I'm never there.
I want to that one girl out there, someone.
Noisy dogs.
See your friend them. I'm glad to see them.
Hi Jody, how you do? Hey, that's so nice. Hi.
Yes.
I should be there spread with me just see him.
Yeah.
You're in a high spirit today.
Yeah, man, she really does drink her tea before she get down to business.
Glad to see them, Jody. Nice. You soon get it a cool.
What you want more?
No, make something for her. So.
Oh, okay, she want it.
Yeah.
All right, so Joy, we bring one package for you this morning. This bag here is from an anonymous donor. She came to Jamaica and she sent it to via Knutsford in Mandeville. So she came to Jamaica, was in Montego Bay, sent it via Knutsford, and we went to Mandeville to pick it up for you.
Okay,
so
thank you.
everything in here so is for you and Jody.
And a bag of you too.
I see we're bringing some groceries from barrels that we have received.
Okay.
All right. Yes.
You know, me love to take out things and look at things, you know, when I don't carry things, you know.
Make sure you're here, we say we're not tan.
You know, so as we get things, me like to see what is in the bag. All right? Yeah, look, Jody. Jody, you looking?
Jody, pay attention.
All right, Jody. What is this? What is this? Okay. What is this? Oh. And what is this again? Eh? What is this? Alright, you don't know what that. Alright. What is this? No, macaroni and cheese. What you love? Nice. Alright. And what is this? Tuna. And what is this? Lupanino. What is this? You don't know? Macaroni. Okay.
Well, sure, that next something.
Oh, them here.
That.
Full one, give me 20.
Next three.
Anyhow, you want to pull it.
No, it's not gonna pull that way. There's no opening there.
But
As usual. As usual. Alright, Jody. Here. Thank you.
you like it?
Nice. 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 My mommy tasty. Tasty. Nice, Jody. Nice. Like it? 2 more in there for you, yeah? See there. Nice. So I'm going with a long time in a soon, you know. I'm going to hide from me. Hide from me.
Now you hide from when you come in there.
I'm going to help one lady do look dusting down, man. Because you know the things set already, you know. So I'm going to help her do look dusting down. So. But I do that, I call her and tell her where me is. Remember?
Yeah, but come there so that time.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now we don't visit our people place.
No, I don't come out and work with me too.
I'm seeing up on the roadside. You have Jody out there?
No.
No, that I think again because I want to see Jody.
Oh, okay. Give me one minute. Give me 1 minute.
Hey Jody?
I don't want to fly pitch for Ninko.
We want to see you and share to look for different place.
Dear Joy.
So I just want to say thank this donor. Thank you very much. I really appreciate this. And I thank everyone. And I thank Auntie Marcel and Sister
I
Michelle.
call Auntie Marcel.
Marcel.
See over that.
And Sister Mish.
Yes.
So me and
My auntie and she a sister.
so we're gonna looking at the bag, you know.
You're welcome,
Jody. We're looking at the bag, right?
Oh, that's from us. The diapers.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, we just drop it in the bag.
When I go through all of them, there's something that we do, you know. So you can't, I can't everything in a pay bag.
You have to go pull several bags.
Alright.
So you can browse and stuff.
Jody,
Lord, Jody, I laugh. Watch ya.
Jody, come and dentist.
Come take out the fear.
Oh.
So me normally always I put in a one little dish and give her.
Oh, so maybe I could have do that so she can take it out. Okay.
You look like when Jody eats it, she don't want to stop. She just want to eat it till it's done. Jody.
You so like when you come back one other time, if you have the time, you're gonna make you fix this up properly for me.
Not our.
The wheelchair that she can relax in it.
Oh, okay.
Can look on it now.
Because when me put her in there, she not comfortable. So me don't like it. Please.
You want to recline, like to go back?
Yeah, where she
You
can
want the
relax.
upper to go back?
Yeah, where she can relax.
Oh, so she not sit up straight.
So when me put her in it, like she uncomfortable.
See there?
Guys, look here.
Look.
Okay. Oh.
Just hold the lever. Go ahead and look, Joy.
Yes, you see it now. Okay. Right.
See there. Okay. Yeah, press if he come back.
Right.
You know the thing with the show, yeah?
I don't remember.
You should have write it down for a book.
Excuse me 1 minute, please.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning. They did call me. The one when me go help the other day do the dusting.
Okay,
Me that tell
okay.
her say me over the house and she have call me. I find her.
Okay.
Asking she a check up on me with Jody. She know you're from family.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Should check in on you.
Yeah. Finish now, Jody. See this. Finish. You're not get the next one until tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, Jody.
Maybe need some water after.
No, give her water. I give her some water.
All right.
So no go Spanish already?
Yes. That's where we're coming from.
My lady saw me a Christian and said, "Ja, you can't laugh, you know? You can't." You say you can't laugh.
Yeah. So how the selling going?
You know, say friend, me not tell you no lie enough for you, me. No, say me tell you don't. You don't say friend when you come from anytime they. Me have on some funds first.
Oh, okay,
buy some more things because I never have no more where me could go sell again.
Yeah.
I tell you the truth, the honest truth with God love. That makes sense. Me go tell you like I did the work, but don't you talk the truth.
Yeah.
As soon as me have some more funds, me can also buy some more stuff and go back on the road again. But from the time them I really go they go juggle nothing because me have nothing in stock now.
Okay.
Yeah. But it don't make no sense. Me go tell lie.
Yeah.
And the truth is the truth.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
When they are going, you know. I'm going to hold the faith.
Yes. All right. So you don't go to your bag now.
Oh, truly that's one. And I go
Yeah, you can't just because all of them in a small. So, different bags.
I don't mean I have to take them out.
Yeah.
That's true. I have to take them out.
No, you not.
If you don't want to.
Yeah, it's your choice.
That's true. Me like for
You can't take out the bag, but
You can take out the bags, but you
when I
don't.
help you go through one. Now we don't know where you have in the either, and we just carry it from same way.
right. Not for really go through anything.
She want look at something in our.
In a box?
Yeah.
No box.
See box, I want black box. See the other side.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
You know home.
So
Thank you very much. I really appreciate. You know, love me one of this.
Yeah, adjustable back brace.
Me know, you know, love me one of this.
No, we don't know it. I never tell me.
God have mercy. And yesterday, I went to Christiana in the town. And I go in one of the little haberdashery place. And I say, I take up one of them, I look on you know. One pink one, you know. And I say, one of them something here, you know. Put on me back and see it. Yesterday.
Yeah.
So
Believe me, yesterday.
Pink one, you love.
No, man, not really. But I just only pay pink then did have there at the time. So
Store go swap it for pink.
so we go in there, I take up one I mean even put it around my waist, you know. I'm bunny here so yesterday. Believe me to God I don't lie me at till. I see the one come for me for you. That's good. God is good all the time.
All the time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cause I mean one next lady they go in there and she say, true for her belly big. She want one for ban her belly for make it go down.
Yeah.
But I know that me want one for run my waist because so sometimes my waist run my back pain me. And so me say me want one of them. So me take up and I put it on me.
Okay.
Run me back. And
So you have it now?
Yes, God is good all the time. I thank this door and I thank you so much. I thank everyone at Uno. Every single one at Uno. I really appreciate what you has done for me and Jody. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. Uno know me I go tell Uno say Uno food basket. Uno food basket will never empty. And as Uncle Master would say, as Uno pantry will never empty. Yeah. And Uno will never out a job. Uno will always in jobs and jobs and jobs. Thank Uno very much.
Alright.
Thank Uno. Everyone at Uno.
Alright.
Tell them thanks to Jody.
Oh.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate what you has done for me and Jody. Thank you very much. And everyone at Uno. Every single one, from little girl, boy, big man and little, everybody. I thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Really
Alright guys, thanks to everyone. Joy said it already. It's well said. So until next time, we thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe and bye bye.
The lady for wait, no like half it. Sorry. But the lady will say that sorry.
That's alright.
And the lady we send this for Jody. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Again?
No man, but me have to tell her thanks because guess what? Because you really made Jody back comfortable. So me put it under her back. She really comfortable. So thank you so much.
Yes, she just reinforce her appreciation.
Right.
Yes,
thank
man.
you. And so me don't want it dirty. Me make sure spread one sheet over it. Because I don't want it dirty and me really put this one in a one little pillowcase.
Yeah.
So this morning me take out the outer it.
Okay.
Right. Thank every single one of you. The food basket will never empty. You will always in job. Never out a job. And I ask the Lord to bless you and keep you, guide and protect you. Thank you very much. Yes.
Alright, bless the love everyone.